Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word published. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The author's new book was published last week and is already receiving rave reviews. Published refers to the act of making information available to the public, usually in print or digital form, such as books, articles, or reports. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.